Alright, so today we are in the 5th tune calibration. VTEC is now engaged. That's right. My air fuel ratios were about 2 to 5 on wide open throttle. VTEC is enabled at 35K. And yeah, let's go ahead and download it. Download, and then we'll save it and upload it. Save. Let's go ahead and open up the Honda. Let's plug in the Flash Pro. Alright, last tune was uploaded successfully. Let's go ahead and upload the 5th one. Open. Let's delete all of these logs. Go into calibrations, go ahead and upload the new one. Then we'll go ahead and flash the car. Upload that new calibration. There it is, upload it to the Honda. Let's close this out. Let's open up this. And so, city driving, reduce ignition low. We picked up a little bit of knock. I wouldn't recommend doing full pulls under down that low on RPM because we put the motor under a lot of load. So I think we have to put wide open throttle pulls after 3K, so that way it's not too low. That's what he's meaning. We could also reduce the time to 7 to 8 minutes. Go stop and go normal driving for now. Red limiter is still at 6K. Sweet. Sounds like fun. VTEC's finally engaged. Okay, so let's go ahead and load up the calibration. And we'll wait for it to do its thing. And there it goes. Sweet. Let's go ahead and start her up. And let's do some data logging. Alright, and we'll just do data logging. He wants just normal driving. I feel it stronger. He said VTEC engages at 35, I think. Fucking going fast. It's speed for the country roads out here. Yeah. Sheesh. Another student driver. These people need to get out of my way. Alright, we're gonna finish our data log right there. And that's city driving and highway. And then we'll do our 3rd gear pulls. Alright, let's go ahead and do the 3rd gear pull. Data log on. 3rd gear, 3000 RPM. Let's go. Sweet. Turn the data log off. And I like to give him 2 more. That way he has something to work with. So I'll do 2 more right now. Alright, 3000 RPM, 3rd gear, data log on. Alright, data log off. And we'll do 1 more. Alright, 3rd gear, data log on. Data log off. Sweet. Alright, and that'll complete our tune. And we'll go ahead and send that to our tuner for some refinement. And I was a little rich on VTEC crossover, so we're fix that and get the sucker up and going better. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. For this one, he actually asked just city driving. So I'm gonna give him city and highway and just one city with 3 pools in between. Hopefully he likes that. Alright, and that's it. Let's finish that data log there. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead and send that off. Boot up my laptop, connect the Flash Pro, save all those data logs, and send them over. Alright, there's my Flash Pro connected, successfully updated. Let's go ahead and grab all these logs. And I'm gonna have to do this with the mouse because I struggled last time. Save as. Okay, this one here we're gonna name 01 city and highway. It's already saved for me, yay. Okay, save. Oh, let's create a new folder. This one is 5th, yes. This one is city and highway. Sorry, showing you guys the process as well. That way you guys are aware of what's going on and how this needs to be done. Alright, and there it is, finishing off the first one. Then the window for the next one is going to pop up. It's taking a second. It says not responding up here, but just wait. Don't start clicking buttons. Don't start trying to exit out. Let the computer do its thing. Just fucking sit back and relax. Alright, and there it is. Here's the second one ready now. This one is 02 for the second file. This one is going to be 3rd pool 1. And we'll hit save. I'm going to use the mouse because I don't want to hit cancel. And it's going to bring up the next one. Alright, and there it is. So this one's going to be 03. 3rd pool 2. We'll hit save on that. Then it's going to open up the next one. Then 04. Oops, not E. 3. Pool. Whoops. It's kind of hard to type with one finger. 3rd pool. This one's going to be 3. And then enter. And then this one here, it's going to be 05. City only. I'm going to name it. And save. And we'll send that to Josh, our tuner. Let me see, this is 5, so let's go ahead and reply. Thanks, bro. VTech is fun. Made city and highway. I'm gonna use both hands, bro. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and attach the files. Go into the 5th folder, highlight everything, go to open, and I'm using my hotspot on my phone to upload all of these. So I could just do this from anywhere, basically. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now, just parked on the side, uploading my tunes before I get to work. Yeah, bro, loving it. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you follow Josh on Instagram. Hit him up for eTunes so you can do the same process. It's fun, bro, I'm telling you. Let him know George sent you. That way you get a fat discount. And don't tell him I'm doing this. I'm loading my second calibration after I'm done with my tests. I'm gonna need both hands.
because I love VTech and I love pops and cracks. Sweet. So I'm gonna load my tune. I just load his tunes just for the data logging. That's it. And then when I get the final tune, then that's the tune I'll be running. But for now, all I'm doing is just running his tune, data logging. Then I throw my old tune, which is the AEM version 2 cold air intake, headers, full race exhaust, stock catback. That's what it's called. And I just do modifications to my timing so I could get pops between 1000s and 2000s RPM and 3000s and 45,000s RPM. I have my launch control set to 3000s, I believe it's set to, or 4000s. I think it's 4 because I like how it's the limiter bounces there at 4000s. So we'll give that a try. And the way I check to see after it's done, I just clutch in, I hit cancel, and if it's set to my launch control, then that's mine. Because the launch control for Josh is always set to like 5000s. So that's how I could distinguish between which tune I have and which tune I'm using. Because you could load 2 tunes onto the Flash Pro. So I'm using the first one for Josh and the second one for mine. And this part, bro, never gets old. It's about done already. There it is. So clutch in. I don't even have to start it up. See, $4,000. My tune is set. Now we're ready to do some pops. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.